Good morning, students. In previous class, I have solved some problems from unit test paper 2, section A. In this period, I am going to teach you section B. In section B, 8 number question is choose the correct option in each of the following. 1 by 3 of 18g plus 1 by 4 of 16g is equal to. There are 4 options given in question number, which is correct option. We have to take mark. 8 number question, 1 by 3 of 18 kg. 8 number question, 1 by 3 of 18 kg plus 3 by 4 of 16 kg is equal to what? Here, dividing 18 kg by 3 is equal to 6 kg. 1 by 3 into 18 kg of means का 3 by 4 into 16 kg is equal to 6 kg plus 6 kg plus 12 kg is equal to 18 kg. So the option C is correct. C option is correct. Here we have to choose the correct option in each of the following. 1 by 3 of 18 kg plus 3 by 4 of 16 kg equal to what? 1 by 3 into 18 plus 3 by 4 into 16 of means multiplication. Dividing 18 by 3 we get 6 as quotient, and dividing 16 by 4 as quotient. Multiplying 6 into 1 is equal to 6 kg plus 4 into 3 kg is equal to 12 kg. Adding these we get 18 kg. So option C is correct. In question number 9 number is very easy. I do not want to, you can solve it. Subtraction. In 10 number question. In question number 10, from section B, 0.0216 divided by 0.6. You have solved division. We can write it 0.0216 by 0.6. Here in numerator, after decimal there are 4 digits, and in denominator after decimal there is only 1 digit. So to make equal digits after decimal, we put zeros after decimal. 630. If we put 30 in denominator, the number of digits after decimal in both numerator and denominator is same. So dividing by 216 0.036 is equal to 0.0036. You have learnt division. Here in numerator after decimal there are 4 digits, and in denominator after decimal there is only 1 digit. So to make equal, we put 30 After 6, then we have 216 by 6000. Dividing 216 by 6000, we get 0.036. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. In question number 11, 101.01 into 0.01 multiply. You know process of multiplication, so you can solve it. In 12 number question, in question number 12, we have to ask what should be added to 8.62 to get 13.89. Let the number be x. In 12 number question, let the number be x. According to question 8.62 plus x is equal to 8.62 plus x is equal to 13.89 given. The question is what should be added to 8.62 to get 13.89. Let us consider x should be added to 8.62 to get 13.89. So according to question, we write 8.62 plus x is equal to 13.89. By transposition, x is equal to 13.89 minus 8.62. On subtracting 8.62 from 13.89, 8.62. On subtracting, we get 5.27. 5.27. Hence the required number be 5.27. A option is A correct. Option A is correct. 12th number question. One more question I am going to teach. Here 14 number question of section B. In 14 number question we are given 14 number question 2 whole 1 by 5. 2 whole 1 by 5 divided by 1 whole 1 by 10. 1 whole 1 by 10. Here the fraction is mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fraction. We have 11 by 5 divided by 11 by 10. To convert the given fraction is mixed fraction. So first of all we convert it into improper fraction, and after that we divide 11 by 10 by 11 by 10 by 11 by 5. That is 11 by 5 into 10 by 11. Here inverse of 11 by 10 is equal to 10 by 11, and here 11 cancel, 5 to 10. So the option C is correct. Option C is correct. So in this way you can solve all questions in section C. There are only 2 questions. 2-3 questions. I hope that you can solve it. If you have problem, then you can ask in next class. In section C, I give you task to complete section C and unit test paper 2, all questions. Thank you.